Now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy.
Well, Neil, we might need to do some research on what's going on outside in Longview. Look at this. Sunshine. That's a little odd considering the last 24 or so hours we've seen a lot of cloud cover. Well, look at this temperature, 48 degrees, winds are north at 7 miles per hour. A little warmer to our north where we're actually seeing a little more sun. It's 53 in Naples, Linden no reading, 51 in Atlanta, Texas. Still in the 40s across Smith County. Noonday is at 47 and 46 in Troup. And you can see a little further off to the south, it's going to get generally cooler because we don't have as many breaks in the clouds. It's 45 in Elkhart, 45 in Kennard, 50 degrees in Trinity, Texas and Trinity County, 49 in Groveton, and we are at 46 in Huntington. But we zoom out. There it is, folks. That's the Arctic air. That's the Arctic front, and it is moving through the northern U.S. as we speak, but it is going to start to pick up some momentum as we head into tomorrow, and because of that, I do anticipate some rather rough impacts as we head into both Thursday and Friday. Other than that, we do have a storm system in the Pacific Northwest that could create some delays for people heading out to the northern Rocky Front for Wyoming and Montana. We also have some showers and thunderstorms in the southeast from Atlanta up into the Carolinas. And also, look at this, the storm, it's a little further off to the south. Jacksonville, Tampa, and places across the Florida Peninsula could also see some impacts from those storms. But here comes the front. 10 o'clock tomorrow, it is in the state of Kansas. This is 10 o'clock tomorrow night. The front's going to slide through, and anytime you see those pinks showing up on the screen, folks, that means it's going to get very cold, which is what frigid means if you needed that for your vocabulary. So first, let's get to tomorrow. Front does not arrive, so if you need to get anything outside done, tomorrow is going to be your day. Temperatures in the 30s through 7 o'clock, upper 40s by noon, 51 by 5, but then we get into Thursday when the front arrives. Let's take this hour by hour for you. Normal high is 59. We'll get to 50 by 11 o'clock, so regardless, the day is going to be below average. But look what happens between 11 and 2. That's right, front's going to arrive, and that is an 18-degree temperature drop in the matter of 3 hours. We're going to be in the teens by our late shows between 8 and midnight Friday morning, all the way down to 11 by 6 o'clock Friday morning. So it's going to be very cold. We're likely not to see above freezing temperatures until Saturday afternoon, and it's possible that some of us on Saturday will not see above freezing temperatures, which means we're in for it for about 48 hours of sub-freezing temperatures, so you're going to want to take those precautions now. Here are your lows for Friday morning. Single digits to the north of I-20, lower teens for areas to the south of I-20, but you factor in that wind. Not only is the front going to bring in much colder temperatures, those winds are going to pick up behind it as well. So you may as well subtract about 10 to 15 degrees from our low temperatures, and this is what it's going to feel like. Temperatures feeling like 5 to 10 degrees below zero in some cases. So folks, get ready. It's going to be cold. Bundle up if you absolutely need to be out Friday morning. I don't recommend it. But there you go. Saturday, Sunday. Saturday's Christmas Eve. Christmas Day is Sunday. Note these temperatures. We might get to freezing or a couple degrees above Saturday afternoon. By Christmas Day, we're at 42, so we should warm comfortably above freezing. Who remembers last year? Folks, we were in the 80s, so we are going to trend 40 to 45 degrees colder than last Christmas Eve and last Christmas Day. Next 7, 52 Wednesday, 50 Thursday, and again, well below average for your Christmas weekend. And then Monday and Tuesday will be in the upper 40s as we get a little closer to comfortable Texas weather in the wintertime. Deep East Texas, 50s Wednesday and Thursday, perhaps some flurries, maybe some light rain Thursday. Other than that, cold and dry. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.